Starting a YouTube channel is exciting. You dream of sharing your passion, connecting with viewers, and maybe even achieving fame. You imagine the subscribers pouring in and the views skyrocketing. It's a thrilling prospect full of potential and possibility. Many new YouTubers get caught up in the numbers game. They obsess over subscriber count and view totals, equating these metrics with success. However, this mindset can be a major pitfall, leading creators down a path of frustration and disappointment. The truth is, the most successful YouTubers focus on something far more important than vanity metrics engagement. It's easy to fall into the trap of chasing subscribers. Many creators believe that the higher the subscriber count, the more successful their channel is. After all, a high subscriber count seems to signify popularity and reach. It's a visible metric that everyone can see and often equates to social proof. But here's the catch. A large following means little if those followers aren't actively engaging with your content. Engagement is the true measure of a channel's health and success. Imagine this. You have 10,000 subscribers, but only a tiny fraction watches your videos, leaves comments, or interacts with your channel. It can be disheartening to see a high number of subscribers, but low interaction. Now, picture a channel with 1,000 subscribers, where a large percentage actively participates in discussions, shares their thoughts, and eagerly awaits new uploads. This kind of engagement fosters a community and builds a loyal fan base. Which channel do you think is truly successful? The one with passive followers or the one with active, engaged viewers? The answer is clear: the channel with a smaller, more engaged audience. These viewers are more invested in your content and are more likely to support you in the long run. They are more likely to watch your videos all the way through, subscribe to your channel, and become loyal fans. Engagement drives the YouTube algorithm, leading to better visibility and growth for your channel. So, focus on building a community, not just a subscriber count. Engage with your audience, respond to comments, and create content that resonates with them. This is the true path to success on YouTube. Engagement is the lifeblood of a successful YouTube channel. It's not just about the number of views or subscribers you have, but about how deeply you connect with your audience. It's about fostering a community where viewers feel connected, valued, and heard. When you take the time to interact with your audience, you show them that their opinions and thoughts matter. It's about creating content that sparks conversations, ignites passions, and leaves a lasting impact. This means producing videos that resonate with your viewers on a personal level, encouraging them to engage and share their own experiences. When viewers feel a sense of belonging within your channel's community, they're more likely to become loyal fans. They will return to your channel, not just for the content, but for the community and the connections they have made. They'll watch your videos, share them with their friends, and eagerly anticipate your next upload. This kind of engagement leads to organic growth and a more dedicated audience. This genuine connection is far more valuable than a high subscriber count with little engagement. A smaller, highly engaged audience can be more impactful than a large, passive one. Remember, YouTube is not just a platform for broadcasting your message, it's a platform for building relationships. By focusing on engagement over vanity metrics, you create a thriving community that supports and grows with you. So take the time to respond to comments, ask for feedback, and create content that invites interaction. Your audience will appreciate the effort, and your channel will flourish as a result. Let's look at some real-world examples. Many smaller YouTube channels have cultivated incredibly engaged communities despite having modest subscriber counts. Take, for instance, channels dedicated to niche hobbies like bonsai tree care or vintage camera restoration. These channels may not have millions of subscribers, but their audiences are deeply passionate about the subject matter. They actively participate in discussions, share their own experiences, and eagerly learn from the creator and each other. These communities are a testament to the power of engagement. They demonstrate that you don't need a massive following to make a real impact. The power of the comment section. One of the most overlooked aspects of engagement is the comment section. Many creators view comments as an afterthought, but they can be a goldmine of valuable insights and opportunities for connection. Actively respond to comments, engage in conversations, and show your viewers that you're listening. Ask questions, encourage feedback, and create a space where your audience feels comfortable sharing their thoughts and ideas. When viewers feel heard and valued, they're more likely to stick around and become active members of your community. Shifting your focus from subscriber count to engagement requires a change in mindset. Instead of viewing your viewers as passive consumers of content, see them as active participants in your channel's journey. Encourage interaction by asking questions at the end of your videos, hosting Q&A sessions, or creating polls and surveys. Make your audience feel like they're part of something bigger than just a YouTube channel. Remember, a thriving community is built on genuine connections and shared interests. Content is king, engagement is queen. Of course, none of this matters without high-quality, engaging content. Your videos should be informative, entertaining, or inspiring, ideally a combination of all three. Think about your audience's interests and create content that resonates with them. Experiment with different video formats, explore new ideas, and don't be afraid to step outside your comfort zone. The more engaging your content, the more likely viewers are to stick around, interact, and become part of your community. Measuring what matters beyond the subscriber count. While subscriber count is a visible metric, don't get hung up on it. It's easy to get caught up in the numbers game, but there's so much more to consider. Instead, focus on tracking metrics that indicate genuine engagement, such as watch time. How long are viewers watching your videos? This metric shows if your content is captivating enough to hold their attention. Comments. Are viewers leaving thoughtful comments and engaging in discussions? This can be a sign of a loyal and interactive audience. Shares. Are viewers sharing your videos with others? Shares indicate that your content is valuable enough for viewers to recommend it to their friends and family. Likes and dislikes. While not the be-all and end-all, these can be indicators of how your content is resonating. A high number of likes can show approval, while dislikes can provide constructive feedback. By monitoring these metrics, you can gain valuable insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to refine your content and engagement strategies accordingly. Understanding these metrics helps you create content that truly connects with your audience, fostering a community that goes beyond just numbers. Remember, it's not just about how many people are subscribed to your channel, but how engaged and invested they are in your content. This deeper level of engagement is what will ultimately drive your channel's success and growth. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time, effort, and a genuine desire to connect with your audience. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Focus on creating high-quality content, fostering engagement, and building a community around your shared passions. Remember, the most successful YouTubers are not the ones with the most subscribers. They're the ones who have cultivated thriving, engaged communities. So go out there, create amazing content, and watch your community flourish.